Purpose of this video is to get before and after of the monkey with factory exhaust and with the Yoshimura. So you can see right now it's around 45 decibels in the garage without me talking. So I'm going to get a startup run with the factory exhaust. Exhaust running in the garage. This is testing the Yoshimura RS-3 exhaust. Decibel level again in the garage when I'm not talking. Somewhere around 47 to 50 decibels. So I'm going to start the bike up and we'll see what the reading looks like. Here's a video of the RS-3 exhaust with the dB killer and the Spark Arrester. Again, around 45 to 50 decibels when I'm not talking. So I'll start it up, let it idle, and give it a few revs.